Anora just got a lot of updates. I just shipped new cool features, new UI, UX, and styles and etc. So let's talk about that. First thing, when you sign up, you will receive 500 free credits, and if you need more credits, you can simply buy here. Just click this and it will increase. Just hold this, add credits to your account. If you need any help, you click on help and resources. If there is some bug, you can just report the bug here. You can join our Discord community as well. So we have styles, for example, fisheye, motion blur, or soft focus, product mockup, or 3D. For example, just click on the 3D and we have a image block, selected 3D effect from here. And you can also select the model DALL-E or DALL-E 3. Different credits, the same speed. You can. There's also a feature, image virality. I don't know how to say it, like viral. Okay, currently we have the Talana brain root. From here you can select the brain root animals. So your 3D image will be transformed like brain root. And then we have also flows, the pre-made flows. For example, ads. If you click ads, we have 2 flows, and product placement, it will open up. Or if you want lifestyle integration, it will open the lifestyle integration. And then assets. The main feature for assets, you upload your image, your stuff, and save it on our database for quick access. No drag and drop or upload. Just you can select from assets folder, and history coming soon, and basically add text, image, or image transformer blocks. So let's add image and this. If you lost, add it back to content. On the top right side you can see click this and boom, you back to the content. Here you can track the running flows, and here the credits. Let's try it out. For example, I can say panda, ice cream, Korean girl, describe, and 1 sentences. And I think we can select the GPT-4o, or you can just select any other model. We have a lot of models here. Okay, let's try this. And here running flow, text generation, okay, 70%, 100%. Okay, it's done. Enduring expressions. Okay, now we can imagine this. Just hold this and put here. We have image. And now let's select the DALL-E and the style 3D. Let's skip it without some funny stuff. Okay, and then now we can just click on generate, and it will generate. And here you can see the globe effect as well. And let's wait. 30%, 70%, 100%. Okay, that's done. You can see the image, and we can simply download this. Downloading is free for now. Okay, it's now downloaded here. And also we can select blocks now, just like this. We can select, we can move the blocks. This is also a new feature. Or we can also select by shift click this, by shift click. You will be charged by credit usage. We just use it daily. It's 30 credits, so you charge it for 30 credits plus for a GPT generation. 32 credits totaling. And basically you got 500 credits each month, just free. Just free. Okay, try it out, let me know. You can leave your feedbacks here. If you like it, just type I like it. Otherwise, I need more cool features, and send. Yep, that's it.